everyone, this is Stephanie Thomas of the Sales Tax Sisters and Thomas PC, coming to you today to tell you about 3 things that you need to have in place or you need to do prior to getting a notice of routine audit. And if you do these 3 things, your audit will go 10 times smoother. So stay tuned till after the music. Here we go. Hi everyone, this is Stephanie Thomas of Thomas and the Sales Tax Sisters. I'm going to give you 3 things that need to be in place and you need to do prior to receiving a notice of routine audit. Have a document retention policy in place. I have run across so many business owners who don't have one and they don't have their records. Someone got, frisky during spring cleaning and got rid of records that were 2 years old when the statute of limitations might be 3 years or 4 years old. Source documents are very, very important when you're being audited. So unless you have source documents, you are not going to like the audit result 9 times out of 10. So make sure that you have some kind of policy in place where everyone knows not to get rid of said documents until the statute of limitations has run. The other thing is periodically confirm that your software is capturing all of your sales. And if there's a difference between your total sales and taxable sales, that difference is very, very clear. And I always like to say, make sure that you periodically go back and make it connect the dots easy for anyone to follow how total sales were calculated, how taxable sales were calculated. No one wants to try to reconstruct that 3 or 4 years down the line. The third thing is review your certificates if you have tax-exempt sales to make sure that they are properly completed. We just did a video about properly completed certificates, and the important thing is just getting a certificate is not enough. It has to be complete and make sense for the jurisdiction where you do business. That means that all the fields are completed, all of the everything is signed the way it needs to be signed. And my light just went out, but I'm still going. And just make sure that you periodically check that, because an auditor will. And you don't want to go back 3, 4 years down the line, if that's even possible, because in some jurisdictions they have time restrictions as to when a certificate can be obtained. So just make sure that you adhere to the guidelines in the jurisdictions where you do business, and that you confirm that everything is properly completed and filed away. And those are the 3 tips that will help you if you or your client are ever audited. If you have any questions, please let us know. If you have any comments, put them in the comment box, because we love to get feedback from y'all. And we are off. Don't forget to subscribe, not only to the channel, but to our monthly newsletter, because we give goodies to newsletter subscribers, and links as relates to our website and how you can get in contact with us will also be in the description box below. Have a good day, everybody.